You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Buongiorno, let's learn how to pronounce words that contain the letters CCH, or it's not a syllable, but those three letters in Italian. You probably already know that CH in Italian is pronounced not like ch, not like CH, but like a K with a K sound, okay? So let's take a few examples of very famous, useful, common words in Italian. Of course, probably the most confusing and the most famous word containing CCH in Italian is gnocchi. Alright, so it is pronounced, CCH is pronounced like a K, but with a stress on that K sound because you have double C, meaning that you make it twice as long. Gnocchi, gnocchi, okay? Don't have to exaggerate too much, but stress on that syllable, gnocchi. Another example is vecchio. This means old, something that is old. In Italian, like an old town would be vecchia. That's feminine, vecchio or vecchia. Can you hear the K sound and the stress on it? Another example is bicchieri. That means glasses, like the glasses you drink from. That's the plural. Bicchieri, bicchieri. So, gnocchi, vecchio, bicchieri. Could you hear the pronunciation of K? Yeah, baci. That's different. K, K. Did you get this? Was this any useful? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.